I've got the OnePlus 7 Pro here, and today I'm going to show you how to boot the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro into recovery mode, which is one of the many special boot modes for Android. Now, OnePlus has a number of ways that we can boot this smartphone into recovery mode, but I'm just going to show you the basic way, and then I'll mention the other ways during the power down and boot up cycle. So we're going to press and hold the power button to bring up the power off option, the power menu, and then we're going to tap on the power off option to shut the device down. Now, once the OnePlus 7 or the OnePlus 7 Pro is completely powered off, we're going to be pressing and holding the power button and the volume down buttons at the same time. And you'll feel the phone vibrate as soon as that splash screen comes up. And we're going to continue holding these two buttons down until we get to this OnePlus screen. Now, if you have a PIN pattern password or fingerprint set, any type of lock screen security setting set, you're going to have to enter your PIN pattern or password here. If not, you're going to immediately be taken here. So this is the stock OnePlus recovery mode screen. Now we have three different options to choose from. Normally in Android's recovery mode, the stock recovery mode, the touch screen does not work, and you are forced to use the volume down and volume up buttons, as well as the power button to navigate through the menu. While you can do that on the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro, the touchscreen also works. So it's asking us to pick a language. We can actually use the touchscreen to navigate through this menu instead of having to use the volume up, volume down, and power buttons to navigate the menu. So there's not a lot to do in the stock Android recovery on the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. This should be familiar with anybody who's had OnePlus devices in the past. They give you the bare bones features here that we have in other Android stock recovery modes. Some features are missing, but the core ones that people generally look for in the stock Android recovery are here. Again, this includes wiping our data, which we have three different options here. And it also includes rebooting into fast boot mode or recovery mode. So once you are ready to get out of recovery mode on the OnePlus 7 or the OnePlus 7 Pro, all we need to do is select the exit option, and then we can either choose the power off or the reboot option. I'm just going to tap on reboot twice, once to select it and the second time to confirm it. And then I'm going to see the OnePlus 7 Pro reboot all on its own. Now if I had chosen the power off option, it would have just shut down. So as I told you there was a number of ways that we can boot into recovery mode. If you have enabled developer options, then when you bring up the power menu, we have a couple of options here whenever the advanced reboot toggle is selected. So if we wanted to, we could just instantly reboot into recovery mode from here. If we have the advanced reboot toggle enabled within developer options on the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. And there we have it. That is how to boot the OnePlus 7 as well as the OnePlus 7 Pro, both into and out of recovery mode.